Should I use written skills tests? Yes. Using written skills tests is a smart way to check if a contractor or worker actually knows what they are talking about before you hire them for a job around your house. Think of it like this. Imagine you are picking a team for a spelling bee, but you cannot just ask someone if they are good at spelling, you actually have to test them to see if they know the words. A written skills test works the same way for things like plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry. You give the person a short quiz with real-world questions about codes, safety, tools, or common problems in their trade, and their answers show you how much they truly understand. Here is something most people do not know. Many licensing boards actually use written tests as one of the main ways to decide if someone is allowed to work in a trade at all, so a simple test at home can catch the same kind of gaps before you sign a contract. This is especially helpful because talking a good game in an interview is very different from knowing the material under pressure. A well-written test can be short, maybe 10 to 15 questions, and still tell you a lot about someone's real knowledge in under 20 minutes. One common mistake is making the test way too long or too technical, which just frustrates good workers and wastes everyone's time, so keep it short and focused on real situations they would face on your job. Another mistake is relying only on the test and skipping a hands-on demonstration, since some people test well on paper but struggle with actual tools, so always pair a written test with a quick practical task if you can. A lot of homeowners also forget to compare answers against a simple answer key made by another expert, so they end up guessing whether a response is actually correct or not, which defeats the purpose of testing in the first place. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.